everyone! Today I will be showing you 2 different ways you can start a macrame wall hanging using a semicircle pattern. Let's get started. To begin, go ahead and attach one rope to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now we will be attaching the cord off to the right to our dowel rod with another lark's head knot. To do this, I'm just going to take that cord and send it over my dowel rod, around, and then back in front of the rope. And I'm just going to pull that tight slightly. Then I'm going to take that same cord, and this time I'm going to send it right behind the dowel rod. It's going to go over, and then I'm going to send it through the little loop, and then pull it tight. You can adjust this on your dowel rod as needed to make your little semicircle as big or as small as you would like. Now we'll be taking extra ropes and attaching them to both of these cords. Bring in your first rope and fold it evenly in half, and then just send it over the 2 ropes. Pull it through the loop to form your lark's head knot, and then pull it tight, and you can slide it up the rope to put it into place. For my 7th and final rope, I'm going to attach it to all 3 of the cords right here in the middle. Now you'll notice that I have some gaps here, so to fix this, I'm just going to adjust my cords to make it all even and fill in the gaps. Just like that. Now you can continue making a pattern below your lark's head knots. So you could do a square knot, a berry knot, double half hitch knot, or any other knot you would like. For our next method, we will be making a double semicircle pattern. To do this, again, I'm just going to start with one lark's head knot, and this time I'm going to take the side on the left and I'm going to attach it to my dowel rod with another lark's head knot. So once again, it goes over the dowel rod, around to go back over the rope, then I send it behind the dowel rod, around, and through the loop. And then I'm just going to pull that tight and adjust its placement on my dowel rod. Now I'm going to take the side that was on the right and do the exact same thing. Just like that. And now we can take other pieces of rope and attach them on the little loops with lark's head knots. Once you've attached the number of ropes you would like to use for your wall hanging, you can go ahead and adjust the semicircle. And now repeat on the right side. And adjust again. Just like that. Now again, you can fill in your design any way you like. You could make cool shapes, you could leave as is and just add layers, or just make a wall hanging like this. You can outline your knots here with double half hitch knots, so you have a lot of different options for this. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.